Isotopes. In Dalton's atomic theory, all the atoms of an element were considered alike in all the properties, including their masses. Later on, it was discovered that atoms of the same element can possess different masses but same atomic number. Such atoms of an element are called isotopes. So isotopes are different kind of atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different atomic masses. The isotope of an element possesses same chemical properties and same position in the periodic table. This phenomena of isotopy was first discovered by Sode. Isotopes have same number of protons and electrons, but they differ in the number of neutrons present in their nuclei. So, carbon has 3 isotopes written as carbon 12, 6, carbon 13, 6, carbon 14, 6 and expressed as carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. Similarly, hydrogen has 3 isotopes, hydrogen 1, 2 and 3 called prutium, deuterium and tritium. Oxygen has 3, nickel has 5, calcium has 6, palladium has 6, cadmium has 9 and tin has 11 isotopes. This is all about isotopes. Thank you for watching.